Christophe Clugston here for Clugston Combat Systems. FluentFighting.com is the webpage. I want to tell you about our Crunch Zone Warfare seminars. The next one is at the end of March 31st. We have three. 31st of March, 1st of April, 2nd of April, be held here in Southeast Asia. Look for it. If you can't make to Southeast Asia, set up a seminar in your location. We can talk to you about that. But this is going to be a big deal. You're going to learn how to fight in the crunch zone, the 2-foot zone. A lot of people don't know what to do when they're attacked at the 2-foot zone. This is not sport fighting. You don't have time for preparation. You have to use techniques that will take them out and completely obliterate them. This is lethal technology. And if you take all 3 days, you'll also learn the beginning of our knife fighting for this zone. So this is something totally different. Our last Crunch Zone seminars were a big hit. This is why we're continuing them. So remember, again, 3 separate seminars that stack on each other. Take all 3 and save a lot of money. So that's the 31st of March, the 1st of April, the 2nd of April 2017 here in Southeast Asia. Look at the link below to learn more details about how you can qualify to be here training with us in the jungle. I'll see you soon, hopefully.